any coloration application, right, you may have a heavy spot, a mist spot, a swirl, something you need to take care of. So here we've got a light spot or a mist spot. So we're going to come back and take care of that. The process is, first I want to, kind of like chasing the grain with a regular solvent-based stain, I just want to soften any hard edges that I can see that possibly might shine through even when I do the repair. So we're first going to start with just a dry rag to see if I can take any of those out or soften those. If that doesn't work, we'll go with a wet or a damp rag. If that doesn't work or we need some more, then we'll just use a maroon pad. Soften those edges, and then we're going to come back, apply more of the Chroma coloration system onto the floor. Let that sit for a minute, dab off the excess, and then we're actually going to wipe in. So this is what differs from doing a repair with Chroma versus a repair, say, with like dry fast stain. With dry fast, we would wipe everything else out into the floor to blend it out. This, we're going to wipe everything to the middle. We want to avoid wiping more stain out into the rest of the floor. So again, that was our process, trying to soften those hard edges, adding some more product. You could see that this center area, when I was wiping it off, either I took too much of the color off still, or it's just not taking the color as much, so it is kind of a funny spot in that board. So I put a little more on, gently trick wiped it off to leave more of the color there, and that's our repair. The whole board matches a lot better now than having that big light area in here and surrounded by the dark areas on the outside.